Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Copper CRM deliverability using domain authentication step by step clearly. To verify Copper CRM deliverability using domain authentication, start by logging into your Copper CRM account. Navigate to the settings menu located in the lower left corner of the dashboard. Look for the email settings option within the settings menu. Click on email settings to access the configuration page. Locate the section for Domain Authentication. You will see an option to add or verify your domain. Click on Add Domain to start the authentication process. Enter the domain you wish to authenticate. After entering your domain, click on Next. Copper will provide you with specific DNS records to add to your domain's DNS settings. Open a new tab and log in to your domain registrar or DNS hosting provider. Navigate to the DNS management section of your domain. Add the TXT records provided by Copper, following the instructions. If applicable, also add any name records specified in the instructions. Save the DNS settings after adding the records. Return to your Copper CRM tab and click on Verify Domain. Copper will check the DNS settings to confirm the records have been added correctly. This verification process may take a few minutes. Once verified, Copper will display a confirmation message. If the verification fails, double-check the DNS records for any errors. Make any necessary adjustments and repeat the verification process. After successfully verifying your domain, you will enhance your email deliverability. Enjoy the improved sending experience with Copper CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.